Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a super cool, very rare 1969 Ford Torino, Cobra car. Very cool car with a cool history. Matter of fact, it's kind of a funny story behind this car. I was actually at a car show down in South Carolina. Got out at it's called the Rats at the Beaver car show they have down there. Park a truck that I'm driving, jump out of it. I take 2 steps, and a buddy that actually bought a car for me up here in Michigan is standing there. His name's Mike, and so we started yakking and talking. You'd like to say just funny. We're both down in South Carolina for a car show, and he starts telling me about his buddy with this car. John is the guy that I bought this car. Bought it from locally. He bought this car. He's a second owner. He bought this car in 1971. He drove it, you know, just kind of sparingly, said a little bit, until 1975, and then he put it up. The guy that originally bought this car bought it and did nothing but drag race the car. Then John, like I say, he got it. Original engine was already gone. The guy had blown it up drag racing. But then I think it was 2007 is when John actually restored this car. It's got a 68 428 Super Cobra Jet engine in it. It's a factory top loader 4-speed car. And as I walk around this car has been repainted. It's got 1 repaint, 42,000 original miles, guys. But most everything on this car is actually original. Again, it has been repainted. This is the original color, Indian Fire Metallic. And I do have some of the paint and the paint label for the car. John gave me that. But all this that you see, guys, is original. He did have the bumpers re-chromed by Bumper Boys, but all the grill, everything else is original on this car. Again, it's only got 42,000 original miles on it. I got the Marty report for it. It's original factory R code 428 Ram Air car, factory 4-speed. The Ram Air is not on it. It was gone by the time John got it, but like I say, just a super cool car. He said there's only 3,000 miles on this car since he's built it. He did it in 2007, and again, this is all original. Really cool car with a cool history. Whoever purchases it, his phone number will go with it. Matter of fact, he said he'd like to kind of keep in touch with whoever buys the car. I know a lot of people are weird about that nowadays. A lot of people don't want to do that, but great guy. Matter of fact, he brought a buddy, his Frank, up here. I bought a 59 Ford from him the other day. All original body panels. It's got the original glass still in it. Like I say, the bumpers have been re-chromed. But other than that, car's got all the original interior still in it. There's not a whole lot you can really nitpick. There's a couple of little touch-up marks that I seen on it. But really cool car, man. Love the history. Like I say, love the fact that you know, it's a factory R code car. It's got the big meats on the back, 15-inch steel wheels with the dog dish hubcaps. You see a little mark there in your, actually a couple little marks in your bumpers. But really cool car. Car runs strong. I've got the cam. He wrote it down and gave me the cam numbers on the car. It's got a 500 lift camshaft in it, 427 adjustable rockers in it. Like I say, man, just a wicked cool car. As clean a body as you're gonna find. I mean, he's like, say, he put this thing up, he said 1975. I also got some original parts for the car. He gave me a bunch of original stuff. Sorry guys, just a couple little dust marks on it. We left it up too. He kind of liked it because of the history of the car, the little drag look. So it's you know, it's a little higher in the front end. I thought that was cool. So we left it alone. Again, 68 Super Cobra Jet engine, top loader, close ratio, 4-speed manual trans, manual steering, manual brakes, just the way it would have came. chrome air cleaners, finned aluminum valve covers. Just clean as can be underneath here. Again, it was a factory Ram Air car. He said the Ram Air stuff was already gone by the time he had got it. Original engine was gone. If I remember right, I think he said his son hunted down this engine for him. Cool car, super cool car. And this car actually, it's actually got drum brakes on the front. It was a factory front disc brake car, and when he redid it, he actually put drums on it. Again, he gave me the original spindles and calipers, and there's also, I think he's got new rotors for it. All that stuff goes with it. He just, like I say, he wanted the drum brakes. This is a remote mirror. Again, these are original. All this stuff is original. I don't think those mirrors are original though. I could be wrong. I'd have to ask him, but I don't see. Sorry, little pollen, guys. Also, when he had it repainted, he went to Marty, got the new door tag. I've got, man, sorry guys, doggone it. I've got the original one. Matter of fact, I'll take a picture of it with the Marty report. I've ordered Torino mats for it. This is the original carpet, all original interior in this car. Bucket seats, original sill plates. It's a factory tach car, and he said that he said it actually may work. I don't know if you can see the odometer there. 261 on the odometer, but he said it had an aftermarket tach in it from the day he got it. Really cool car. Hurst shifter, Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a let's see, what is it? Original. It's got a 9-inch. It's got a 390 traction lock rear end in it. It was stock a 350, I think he said. They kind of had some old security thing on it. Now it's disconnected, but he left it on there. Let's see, just clean as can be in the trunk. I mean, it's just a nice car. Floors are nice and clean. It's got new trunk rubber on it. Matter of fact, I think my guys put that on there. I don't even know if it was on there. Again, car's nice and clean underneath. You just don't see stuff like this. I thought the color was super cool. Again, this door, all that's original. Look how nice the doors are. Again, you can nitpick some stuff, but that's what a car should look like with 42,000 miles on it. Look how clean the seams are. Super cool car. And again, John's contact information will go with the car. We do have to adjust the parking brake. It's on there, it works, but it needs to be adjusted. Super cool. We'll put one in. You may have to put it in there, Jordan, if I'm able to get it. But again, just a cool car. It's got a great look to it. Got a great sound to it. Again, 500 lift camshaft in it. Fuel gauge works. All your other gauges are right here. Again, the tach is not working. He said you may be able to hook it up. He said he can't remember if he's ever even had that factory tach hooked up. sounds good, man. You got your right turn signal on, no radio. Blower motor, I don't even know if it's hooked up, guys. Is it kick on? Yeah, I don't think the blower motor's even hooked up. So radio delete car, which is cool, which makes sense. Wipers work. Oh, we got one little light out there. We'll check that. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. That is a cool, cool car. And it scoots too, guys. Have a great day, guys.